Welcome to this video series on the correct use of the eVu-TPS sensor with your smartphone or tablet in order to use the eVu Senz app. In this video, we'll be looking at pairing the TPS sensor with your device, where in later videos we'll be looking at data collection using the eVu Senz app itself. First off, we want to turn on our TPS sensor by holding the on button found on the front of the sensor. The button should be held for about 1 second until the blue light turns on. The blue light will initially flash a few times before remaining solid on. The next step is that we want to turn the TPS sensor into its pairing mode so that it can be located by our smartphone or tablet device. To do that, we actually want to hold down that same on button for 2 to 3 seconds. Initially, the blue light will turn off, but it will eventually turn back on and it'll be continuously flashing and it'll remain flashing until the next step of this guide. It's now time to go to your smartphone or tablet device and enter the Bluetooth settings in order to locate the TPS sensor. Now, just so you know, the next set of instructions will be slightly different depending on what version of Android or what device you're using, but know that the general idea remains the same. We're going to swipe down from the top of our device in order to reveal the system settings, one of which is the Bluetooth mode. And so I'm going to press on this Bluetooth button to turn it off and turn it back on in order to open up the Bluetooth pairing window. In this window, my tablet is attempting to locate any Bluetooth available device nearby. We can see under available devices it has located one such device, which is calling TPS TP001110. If I were to look at my own physical TPS sensor, I can see the serial number says TP001110, so I know that my tablet has in fact located my specific TPS sensor. Just so you know, every TPS sensor has a different serial number, and so you'll be able to locate or be sure of exactly which sensor you have located using this method. When I'm ready, I will click on the TPS sensor in available devices, and the system will take a moment to pair with it. And when it's done, it will now list the TPS sensor under paired devices. If I were to physically look back at my TPS sensor, the blue light will no longer be flashing, but will now remain solid on to say that it has been located and is now in normal recording mode. Just so you know, any single TPS sensor can be paired with as many devices necessary, so do not think that you can only limit one sensor to one device. We can now return to the desktop of the tablet or smartphone, and we can locate the eVu Senz app and click on that blue flower-like icon in order to open up the app and reveal the main menu. Join us in the next video as we explore the login options for the app and initiating a training or practice session.